man, we need to alter course. So, in 1430 days, we're gonna set sail to clearer waters. We don't know where we're going yet. It might be around on the East Sea, or maybe even Mediterranean or Atlantic, or even further, we don't know. But what we do know is we're gonna go vlogging, and this is the first one. So you can follow us. We will show you what we've been doing up to the point that we started sailing Wind Rose. We'll take you along on all the preparations, and then hopefully in the end we'll take you along on our journey. Would that be amazing? So want to follow us? Hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's see how far we can get. Gadverdamme. I'm gonna get dressed, man. This is a mess. Oh, my body is over the ocean.